Zendesk AI is not one feature. It is 3 products: AI agents, Copilot, and admin tools, and all of them sit behind a paid plan tier. Here is what each one does, how you switch it on, and exactly where the plan limits stop you. We will take 3 questions in order. First, what the 3 parts of Zendesk AI actually do. Second, the setup path from picking a plan to live automation. And third, where the tiers and the knowledge limits start to bite. Start with the shape of the suite, because Zendesk packages it as 3 separate things. AI agents are the bots that answer customers directly, handling the repetitive questions that fill your queue. Copilot sits inside the agent workspace and helps your human agents work faster. And the AI admin tools do the background work, sorting tickets, labeling them, and reporting. This matters more than any feature list. Zendesk AI learns from your Help Center articles and your past ticket history, so answers come from your own documentation rather than the open web. It also arrives with broad customer service pre-training on top, so it is not starting cold. Now the practical part, here is the path from a blank Zendesk to automation running on live tickets. Setup runs in 3 steps. You have to get on Suite Team or higher before the foundational AI features unlock it all. Then you point it at your knowledge, the Help Center, plus your ticket history. Then you switch on the pieces you want. Customers get instant answers, agents get drafts and summaries, and tickets arrive already sorted. This is the triage flow. A ticket lands, and the AI reads its intent, its sentiment, and its language. From there, it branches. Urgent tickets go straight to a human agent. A known issue triggers an automated action instead. A refund, for example, so the customer gets an answer without anyone opening the ticket. Copilot is the piece your agents touch every day. It summarizes a long ticket history in seconds, so an agent picks up a messy thread fast. It suggests replies drawn from your existing macros and Help Center content, and it refines the tone of a message, formal or friendly, to match your brand voice. The capability is real. The gating is where teams get surprised, so read this part before you budget. To touch the foundational AI features at all, you need a Suite Team plan or higher, which sits at $55 per agent per month billed annually, as of 2026, and the strongest pieces are not inside that price. The full Copilot experience and advanced AI agents are sold as separate add-ons. Here is the split. Foundational AI features come with the Suite Team seat. Intelligent triage and reporting come with it too. The full Copilot experience does not. Neither do advanced AI agents. Those last 2 are the ones people picture when they imagine an AI help desk, and they are the ones that cost extra. The second limit is scope. Zendesk AI is optimized for knowledge that already lives in Zendesk, your Help Center, and your ticket history. If your real answers sit in technical docs in Confluence or internal guides in Google Docs, that content is out of reach, and you will need something that bridges the gap. 2 smaller things. On custom connections, marketplace apps cover the common tools, but a custom internal database or a specific Shopify flow takes extra work, often routed through Jira. And on going live, you get enterprise-grade security, but full implementation is a committed setup phase, not an afternoon. So, the recap. Zendesk AI is 3 products: agents, Copilot, and admin tools, and it is one of the most mature suites you can buy. $55 per agent per month is the entry point, with add-ons on top for the strongest pieces. And it only reads what already lives inside Zendesk. If that knowledge limit is your problem, eesel AI is one way to close it without replacing Zendesk. It connects over 100 apps, including Confluence, Google Docs, Notion, and Slack, and adds custom actions like looking up an order in Shopify. Simulation mode runs it on your past tickets first. It is free to start, with no credit card and no per-seat fees. Eesel bills usage-based monthly tiers per ticket the AI handles, not per resolution. Simulated on your own tickets. Link in the description.